Anam plus action is how we say we are doing something or we do the said action. For example, Anam eme here. I am doing something. Anam aga oru. I'm going to work. Anam agu akwụkwọ. I'm reading a book. Anam eri nri. I am eating. Now, if you want to say you are not doing any of these things or you don't do any of these things, you just have to focus on the anam. Every other thing remains the same. It's only the anam that needs to change. And for this, we are just going to add a little word. Yi. Yi is a negating word in Igbo. So the sentence would become Anaghị m eme ihe. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing something. Anaghị m aga ọrụ. I'm not going to work. Anaghị m agụ akwụkwọ. I'm not reading a book. Anaghị m eri nri. I'm not eating. So this is very simple. Wherever you have anam in an Igbo expression, to make the whole sentence negative, just change the anam to anaghị. This is from our day 1 to 50 Igbo Learning Challenge, and we are still on the review. We're going to continue from day 51 to day 100. If you've not been following, you know what to do.